Ever wondered what it's like to walk through the life of a rock and roll legend? That would be at the Leon Russell Museum, where music history hits you in every corner. Today we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma, standing in front of one of the most legendary places in music history, the church studio. Once a small neighborhood church, this building became the creative heart of Leon Russell's musical world and the birthplace of the famous Tulsa Sound. These steps were the original. Over a century old, you can almost feel the history under your feet. Everyone takes a walk up them, even us. Leon himself stands here, captured forever in bronze. He bought this old church back in 1972 and turned it into a musical sanctuary. Right next to the door is the Build Your Own studio plaque, Leon's vision of creating a space where artists could record freely and be inspired. We stepped inside and was surrounded by memorabilia that tells a story, gold records, handwritten lyrics, and rare instruments. You can also hear Leon's music echoing through the halls. Each display highlights his incredible journey from a small-town musician to an American music icon. The church studio. We're standing in what was once the main sanctuary. Leon transformed it into a world-class recording studio, and now it's part museum, part active recording space. It's amazing. The energy here feels alive, like the music never stopped. We looked at the replica of the original mixing console Leon used. Every knob here shaped a piece of music history. That was so cool. It is like walking into a living time capsule.
It was from members of the congregation. The ladies of the church then would cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner for their pay. Yeah. But so this was the sanctuary.
This lounge sits in what used to be the church sanctuary. Artists would relax here between takes. Some pretty legendary jam sessions happened in this room. You can feel it. It's like the walls are still holding on to every note.
Willie Nelson and Tom Petty and George Harrison and Eric Clapton and Elton John, and I always forget one. They try to make just as many angles as they can so that the sound has more things to bounce
off. Yes.
And anyway, and I'm always, there's all.
And here's a drum set just waiting for somebody to jam. An old record player is here with a record of Harvest by Neil Young. I still have that record at home, old and worn, and it still plays beautifully. This was Leon Russell's personal office. You'll notice the decoupage table. Those are real record covers sealed into the surface. It is like he turned his career into furniture. He wanted his workspace to reflect his love of vinyl and art. From here you can see the whole city of Tulsa. It's easy to imagine Leon stepping out here for a break. Right across the street is this mural capturing everything the church studio stands for: creativity, community, and the magic of sound. As you leave, carry the music with you, from legendary hits to intimate stories. The Leon Russell Museum is a must-see visit for every music lover, history buff, and Tulsa traveler. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.